Hi everybody and welcome to Module 1, Lesson 18. Make sure your name's at the top before you get started. We're filling in number bonds for 10. So how many different ways can we make 10? 8 plus what will give you 10? 10 equals 5 plus what? So you're really doing addition problems for ways to make 10 on this lesson. All right. So for number 1, 6 times 10 equals what? So if we have 6 10s and 5 10s, we have 1 10 left over because we're breaking that 6 into a group of 5 and a group of 1. So that'd make 6. So 5 10s plus 1 10 equals 6 10s. 5 times 10 is 50. 1 times 10 is 10 because one group of 10 is 10 equals 6 times 10. So 50 plus 10 equals 60. So 6 times 10 is 60. Really and truly, I think this is more complicated than it needs to be. I really look at it as 9 times 1. So anything times itself stays to be the same number. So 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 0, anything times 0, you could have 0 groups of 9 is 0. So it's going to be 90. I think this is a little more complicated, but we're going to break it down anyway. So we broke this 9 into a 5 plus a 4. So 5 plus 4. So we're going to have 4 10s over here. 5 10s plus 4 10s equals 9 10s. So 5 times 10 plus 4 times 10 equals 9 times 10. 50 plus 40 equals 9 10s. I look at it, 5 plus 4, 0 plus 0. So 7 times 10. 7 times 10, breaking that 7 into a group of 5 and 2. So 5 10s and 2 10s. So 5 10s plus 2 10s equals 7 10s. 5 times 10 equals 2 times 10. Which also equals 7 times 10, because we took that 7 and broke it into a group of 5 and a group of 2. 5 times 10 is 50. 2 times 10, 2 times 1 is 2. 0 times 2 is 0. So 50 plus 20 is 70. 10 times 10. So we're going to do 5 10s, because we've been keeping with that 5. And then 5 more 10s, because we broke that 10 into 5 plus 5. So we have 5 10s plus 5 10s. Then we have 5 times 10 and 5 times 10. Now, I'm not doing this one. I'm going to let you do it. So what does this equal? And what does this equal? And then when you add them together, what do they equal? Ooh, this should be 10 times 10. That's wrong. And then don't forget to put your answer up here. Oh, forgot to put my answer over here. Sorry. All right. There are 10 houses on First Street. How many houses are there on First Street? 10. Each house has 8 people living in it. How many people are there on First Street? So we're doing 10 times 8. So we're going to do 10 times 8. So you're going to break that into a group of 5 times 10. I actually did this backwards. It should be 8 times 10. Sorry. This is why I don't like doing it in pen, because I could mess it up. And then 5 plus what will give you 8 would be 3 times 10. So 10 times 8. 1 times 8 is 8. 0 times 8 is 0. So how many people are there on First Street? There are 80 people on First Street. And that ends Module 1, Lesson 19.